What's going on, guys? It's Sam from the Jet Cleaning Company. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video we'll be cleaning a natural stone patio. We cleaned this one a couple of days ago. It's quite similar to my last video actually, the stone. A really nice transformation on the natural stone. Indian sandstone I believe it is, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, it's a great transformation. We also done the driveway on this property, a block paved driveway. We got back to resand that yesterday, and we also cleared the gutters. Now I didn't film me clearing the gutters. I'm not exactly sure the best way of doing that at the minute. I think hopefully I'll get something like a GoPro in the near future, and I can set that up on the end of the poles, and you can see, you know, what I'm doing when I'm cleaning the gutters, and that might be quite interesting to see and satisfying in some ways. But yeah, anyway, like I say, I hope you enjoy the video, guys. Yeah, I will speak to you when it's clean. So before we get going, guys, if you haven't subscribed, please do. That would be a great help. Seems odd asking for that, but yeah, you know, it helps, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments of the job. Yeah, it'd be great to know. It'd be great to know what you think. Give me a shout if you have any questions as well. I'm happy to answer any questions that you have about, you know, anything that I do. So yeah, just let me know. What am I trying to say? Engage. Just engage with the video. And that's it. I hope you enjoy the video, guys. I'll speak to you very shortly. All the best. What's going on, guys? We are back to re-sand the driveway that we cleaned yesterday in Chelmsford. We've done a quick quote down the road at a doctor's surgery, and then we're heading back here to re-sand. But here we are now. Should keep us busy for a little while, and then we're back into Colchester this afternoon to do a couple of gutter clearings. Let's go. There we go, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. We are getting quite busy now. Starting to get into it, starting to find more jobs. Word of mouth and that is really starting to pick up. So yeah, I'm finding myself doing a lot more quotes, getting a few more jobs. So hopefully hopefully it will continue to pick up, and I can keep finding these nice jobs that I can film and yeah, show you guys what I'm doing. As I said at the start of the video, yeah, please subscribe. Let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know what you want to see on the channel, all that sort of stuff. It really helps. It would help to know what you guys want to see or what you like seeing, that sort of stuff. Whether you want to see me on camera more, or you just want to see me doing the work, you don't want to see my face, whatever you want, let me know. It'll be great to hear. And I'll see you on the next one.